I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm not there on the internet for you to look nobody. You understand? Get that clear and straight. And furthermore, with respect, I'm not your son.
It's island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, like a bobo. Alright guys, so I'm here in Casino and the plan is today, guys, is to get myself to the barber. Yes man. So you guys been asking me to go to the barber. Yeah, for some reason. Also just gonna do a walk in of Casino town. Yeah, as much as I can do because I have little island here. Things to know about this small country town I'm living in. Casino is among Australia's largest beef centers. It is the regional hub of a very large cattle industry and positions itself as the beef capital of Australia. Although the city of Rockhampton also claims this title, in the addition it is the service for a rich agricultural area. And the population of Casino as of 2022 census on Google is around 10,000 people. So you have an idea of how small this town is. Yes man, it's very laid back, very peaceful. Also on the weekend, shops close very early from a Friday and a Saturday versus back home on the weekend. It would be the busy time, you know, only clubs really open here on a weekend. You know, as of midday, pretty much everything closes. Also, I'm gonna pick up the car because the car is at the tire shop at the moment because there's a nail in the tire. Oh, look at that! Oh, shit, there's a screw. That's it. And for that reason, cannot drive the car, so we're gonna get a brand new tire. So, walk and show you the streets of Casino, yeah?
I finished my candy cane.
Okay, good boy. Alright, so wifey's at work and me and Bobo out. Yeah man, so I'm also just gonna walk straight to the barber right now. So that is the plan. Hold this, Bobo.
Like balloons?
Mm-hmm.
Balloons?
Yeah, balloons.
$50.
$50?
Yes, it was $50.
Oh, really, was it? So this is Casino Center Town. We should get on this side island. Come on, going across. So here guys, you know, pedestrians give you respect. I mean, the cars here give you respect as a pedestrian, you know. Yes. What's wrong now?
Help me, Dad.
What's wrong now?
Help me.
Oh my God. Now I have to lift you the whole way island. Oh. Alright guys. Don't know how long I'm gonna film for because this boy is weighty. These are the shops and things. It's a Saturday, guys. Yeah, so people are out and about still. There you have the Christmas tree center camera
Yeah.
in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see Christmas tree?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. Right.
It's like a sweet Christmas.
What's that?
Sweet Christmas. You
Yeah.
see it, Dad?
Yeah, and can you walk a bit?
Okay.
It's tiring. Oh. Alright. Give me a hand. Yeah, man, so it's just a small town. Small, peaceful country town. Huh? They did have a barber shop here too. Or a hairdresser shop.
Somewhere down the corner.
Right, good
Somewhere
day.
down.
Here you have the post office coming up. Right? Okay. Yeah, man, so hardly walk these places, to be honest.
Dad, I was
But just come here for do what I do and cut most of the time. So I'm not linger about ya. But it's good to get to know your place where you live in, you know? Yeah. Alright, Bubba, we're gonna go across here. Ready? Pedestrian crossing.
go.
Good? Come up front. We're at the barber shop now, guys. Yeah. Beautiful settings. Okay, yeah. Alright guys, so I just got shave up as most of you probably would have thought I would be cutting my hair, yeah? Well, guess what? That's not happening. Yeah, here I see you guys in the comments complaining about my hair and also complaining about my teeth. You know, I do things on my own time, guys. You understand? So, don't expect that. Yeah, so yeah, go pick up the car, you know, guys. Just shape up my beard and everything. And yeah, my hair will get done soon, guys. That's in the plan, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we walk the street, I go back, you know.
I like this candy, Dad.
Yeah, I know you do. Make my boy hold if I candy, eh? Think you're easy, boy. Yeah, come walk with me. You wanna hold this one for me?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, bring it for that.
Where's my car, Dad?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick up the car now.
Oh,
Yeah. Should be done next summer. Hmm? Yeah, a bit. Come up front. Don't want you behind, Island. Pub here. Put that in the other hand. Give me a hand. Hold my hand. No, hold my hand. Hold that. Woo. The sun is hot. Luckily we have this place we can walk under to get some cool shade. This is where you have everything, clothes shopping, pharmacy. Come on. Oh wow. Oh, that's where they sell all the guns. Have a meat shop here, bakery, everything there. Well, some things anyway. But this town closed very early. By midday everything start closing. you all will enjoy this little video of the town of Casino. Not a bakery. Have a pharmacy. You have op shop. Op shop is where, if I'm correct, you get your second-hand clothes and, you know, stuff like that. I think a lot of second-hand things people bring to the op shop and, you know, them fix them up, make them look good. You know, correct me if I'm wrong. Island, look, the Grinch. The Grinch. The Grinch is looking for Christmas. So I have this boy in my arm. Yeah, so that is that. Almost at the tire shop anyway. Right, pressure. I could go across the road again. In Jamaica, the pedestrian crossing, you wait for car. Yes, a car is waiting on you. Island boy, can you walk for a bit? We're almost at the car. It's really tiring, told you. Come. Alright. We're very close, Bobby. Alright. Yeah, that's the tire shop. Let's go. Let's go across. There we go. Come over this side. So gonna pay for the tire now. And just to even get back to the topic of why people just have a problem with my teeth, them have a problem with my ear. You know, if my ear look a certain way, them have a problem with it, right? When I go up on the road, I always comb my ear. It might not look as good to you on the internet, but I comb my ear. When I dey home, I do whatever I want with my ear, and people have a problem with it. You know what I mean? It's like you can't do nothing good for people. You know what I mean? Everything. I mean, this is the internet age anyway. People judge you for every reason. Same thing how them treat Rastas back home in Jamaica. You know what I mean? If your ear look a certain way, people look down on you. I'm not gonna make one affect me in the comments still, but I just make that clear, yeah? I just want allow me for my ear thing and allow me with my teeth. From me I got primary school, a matter of fact, people been telling me about my teeth. Come right up. It's like a trauma thing just haunt me. You know what I mean? So boy. For example, if I want even go get my teeth done, that'll cost me thousands of dollars, literally in Australian money. You know what I mean? So people now put food on my table, they don't know how me I live my life, right? But at the same time, people just want to tell you, oh, go get this done, go get that done, right? But them don't understand the process, them don't understand you gotta get this done, but them just want to tell you, if you go get it done, right? And it's like they're annoyed with it where, it's like, so well, because me here look a certain way, them now want to watch the video, then why are you on the channel? I don't get it. You understand? I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm not there on the internet for you to look nobody. You understand? Get that clear and straight. Furthermore, I'm not your son. Alright? For all of the people them. With respect, I'm not your son. So me do things when I want to. Alright? Me been a see this for a long time now. People have a problem with every little thing how me look. Right? I'm not one of them pretty boy the way I go sit on the internet. I try to look pretty every day. You get me? Make me live my life. Simple. So. So here it is, guys. A brand new tire, ready for the road. Alright now, so we have everything under control now.
This how the diet seat.
Yes. Alright, so we are left out of this place now and head home. Right, Bobby? Home vibes? You ready for that? Alright, make we go now. Yeah man, so the car tire came to 170. Yeah man, so glad we get that out of the way. Because for a while I know we've been a struggle with it. You know, I pump up the tire very often and didn't even realize that there was a nail in it. You know what I mean? So nail or screw, whichever one of them. You know, so we're glad we get that out of the way. Yeah man. So me I head home now. Me and Bobo I head home, yeah? So we are gonna relax myself, yeah? Yes man, so that is that guys, and hope you all enjoy today's video. You know, a bit of walking, as I've always promised this video. You know, I couldn't really tour the full place because Island didn't want to walk, which I did expect that, you know. Can't do too much walking as I would, so that's expected. Yeah man. So let's go head home. You know, it's a very hot day. Go cook something, find something to eat, you know. Yeah man. So respect if you watch this video. If you reach this far, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new, yeah. Alright, and we'll catch you in the next one, yeah? Yes man. So what you wanna say, Bobo? What you wanna say? You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Yeah man. Bless up my peeps.